Hey there, I'm Josh and I'm in sales.
And I'm Pax and I'm in marketing.
Pax, why don't more sales and marketing teams have more success in manufacturing?
I think it's because our teams don't always know the best ways they should work together.
I totally agree, and that's why we're here to share 3 things that sales and marketing should be talking about every week. We're going to share a sneak peek into our process at GBG.
Let's do it.
First thing on the agenda, lead generation.
I start by updating Josh on the current lead gen efforts our marketing team is working on, then ask for feedback and about the quality of leads that he's receiving.
Yeah, and I'm letting marketing know what I see from a sales perspective and giving any updates on trends we're seeing so that they can learn more or capitalize on those insights.
Now that we're on the same page around lead gen, next up is collateral review. So anything that we've been working on recently, sales materials, slide decks, things for trade shows, I'm getting in front of Josh for a pulse check.
Yeah, and I'm suggesting any fine tuning that I have in mind that could help it resonate better with our audience. And finally, I'm sharing any updates from a sales performance and challenges perspective.
And while Josh is sharing, I'm asking about questions he's getting most often from prospects, and then asking what kind of support the sales team needs.
And that's our 3-step agenda in helping you create more sales and marketing alignment in your company. Give us a follow for more marketing and sales manufacturing best practices.